The fourth reason why people don't forgive is because they are connecting you to a feeling of unhealed trauma. The fourth reason why people don't forgive is because they are connecting you to a feeling of unhealed trauma. You are a trigger for them. And they start to see you as that trauma.
Yes!
I mean, think about it. Have you ever said something to somebody and it pissed them off, but it was just so little? Like, why are you getting mad at that?
Right.
You have just triggered their trauma.
Yep. All right. Reason number 5 that it is so hard to forgive is because you think that if you forgive them, you're giving them a pass. Like what they did is okay, and it is not.
Right.
What we gonna do is we gonna forgive them from a distance.
Listen,
absolutely.
I totally understand what you're saying. Number 6 to me, I think, is people don't forgive because they feel like if they forgive them, they gotta call them and be around them and like them. And you don't.
You don't.
You don't have to like them.
Nope.
You can forgive them from a distance.
Far away. That's how I like it. Reason number 7, why it is hard for people to forgive. You're blaming yourself for what has happened. If I didn't go here, if I didn't go there, if I didn't do this. Listen, you cannot blame yourself for other people's evil intentions.
True that.
How could you have known what somebody else was thinking and what they were going to do with those thoughts?
True.
And I should have said this. I should have done that. It's all hindsight for a reason, darling. Because at the time, you were doing what you thought that you needed to do to survive or to help someone else survive.
True.
So forgive yourself. It's over.
Done.
Okay?
Coming up next, part 3.
Listen. Check it out.